Hello students, welcome to ISI MSQE 2021 solution. Today we are doing the PEA section. So it's about a story of an island has two potential vaccine farms denoted as 1 and 2. Both need to invest in R&D for the manufacturing of the vaccine, and the cost of the R&D for the farm 1 and 2 are F1 and F2 respectively, and on the R&D done, the cost per unit of the manufacturing of the vaccine is drawn from 0 to 1. Okay, the farms know their fixed cost of the R&D but don't know that the cost per unit of the manufacturing is uniformly drawn from 0 to 1. Now the demand for vaccine 1 is from 1 and 2 supplies are GI, and incurs the manufacturing part. Suppose both the farms invest in R&D, so we need to find what will be the expected cost of the vaccination. So that should be our main target to find out. Okay, pretty nice. So let's see how we can do that. In this kind of questions, our main target is to get the inner meaning. So it's about a vaccine, so very much associated with our present situation. So here we need to focus on one thing about the formation. So the total cost of vaccination will be F1 plus F2 plus minimum of C1 comma C2, where C1 and C2 this both forms an uniform distribution with 0 to 1. So therefore the expected total cost F1 plus F2 plus expectation of minimum of C1 C2. Okay, and minimum of C1 C2 we can cross check, that is to be 1 by 3. So we just put this value, so F1 plus F2 equal to 1 by 3. So B is the answer. Now we proceed to the next question. In question number 13, suppose that F1 less than F2 less than 1 by 6. Consider two more alternatives. Suppose both the farms invest in R&D and both supply half of the units of the vaccine, and farm 1 invests in R&D and supplies the entire unit of the required vaccine. So denote the total expected cost of the vaccination from the alternatives B and C, C1 and C2. So another two C2 and C3 alternatives are there, and which of the following is true. So the relationship between C1 and C2 and C3. Okay, so from the above case, C1 equal to F1 plus F2 plus 1 by 3 we have already got. So from alternative B case, the expected cost of the vaccine will be C2, that is will be F1 plus F2 plus half, and C3 will be F1 plus half. So clearly obviously C1 less than C2 for sure, and C3 less than C2. Given that F2 less than 1 by 6, we can do it like this as C1 F1 equal to F1 plus F2 plus 1 by 3 less than F1 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3, and that is equal to F1 plus half, that is equal to C3. So obviously C1 less C2 less, C1 less C3 less C2. This is the thing, and the answer is B. Next question, consider the production function. Z equal to S plus Cy. For what price ratio Px by Py will a corner solution of y is possible if the objective is to minimize the cost of producing of the positive quantity Z0 of Z. So the objective is to minimize x and y, Px into x, Py into y, such that 2x plus 3y greater than equal to Z0. So at the optimum it will be that Cy equal to Z0. So the problem can be rewritten as minimum of x belongs to 0 and Z0 by 2, Px into x and Py by 3, Z0 minus 2x. So this is just a linear function of x with respect to the coefficients. So equal to Px equal to minus 2 Py by 3. So obviously the minima will be at x equal to 0 if slope is positive. So we get the condition px by py greater than equal to obviously 2 by 3. So option number B is correct.